Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated iPad Mini 7, a device that has sparked curiosity among tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike. After 3 years of waiting, Apple has finally refreshed the iPad Mini, focusing on internal enhancements over a cosmetic overhaul. So, if you're thinking of upgrading or just curious about what's changed, we'll cover all the features, improvements, and limitations of the new iPad Mini 7 in this in-depth review. Apple has retained its signature compact and sleek design, which many users love for its portability. The aluminum body gives it a solid feel, and its lightweight construction means it's easy to carry around for day-to-day tasks. The dimensions are nearly identical to the Mini 6, reinforcing that Apple aimed to keep the beloved Mini's classic size and form factor. However, even with a familiar exterior, Apple has introduced some subtle improvements in build quality, making it feel just a bit more premium and durable in the hand. While it doesn't have the flashy, colorful designs of other models, the iPad Mini's color options are classy and professional, appealing to a wide range of users. Moving on to the display, the iPad Mini 7 features the familiar 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, the same size as the Mini 6. This screen is perfect for media consumption, gaming, reading, and casual browsing. With a pixel density that makes text and images appear crisp and vibrant, this display is quite enjoyable to use. However, it's still a 60Hz IPS LCD panel, meaning that it doesn't feature a higher refresh rate like 120Hz promotion on the iPad Pro series. Despite the lack of promotion, the iPad Mini 7 now supports external 4K displays at 60Hz. This capability is a nice addition for anyone looking to expand their workspace or watch content on a larger screen. The display also offers improved brightness, making it easier to see outdoors or in brightly lit environments, but it's not as bright as some of Apple's Pro models. One of the most exciting upgrades in the iPad Mini 7 is under the hood, the A17 Pro chip. This new processor is a game-changer, offering faster speeds and more efficient power management than previous models. Apple has significantly boosted performance here, making it ideal for gaming, productivity tasks, and even casual photo or video editing. This chip optimizes energy usage, helping extend the iPad Mini 7's battery life. While managing power-hungry tasks, Apple has equipped the iPad Mini 7 with a USB-C port, enhancing connectivity and charging speeds. This USB-C port allows for faster data transfer rates compared to Lightning, enabling quicker file transfers and compatibility with a broader range of accessories. On the wireless side, the iPad Mini 7 now supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E means you'll benefit from faster internet speeds, provided you're using a compatible router. The camera setup on the iPad Mini 7 hasn't changed dramatically from the previous model, but it's worth noting. The Mini 7 features a 12MP rear camera, which is more than capable for casual photography and recording HD video. The front-facing 12MP ultra-wide camera is great for video calls, Zoom meetings, and FaceTime. iPadOS 18 introduces new features such as Stage Manager, a tool for managing multiple app windows simultaneously, and focus modes that allow users to personalize their iPad experience based on different activities like work, reading, or gaming. Battery life on the iPad Mini 7 remains solid, with Apple claiming up to 10 hours of web browsing or video playback. Thanks to the A17 Pro chip's power efficiency, this claim holds true in most cases. The iPad Mini 7 starts at $499 for the base model, a price that situates it between the budget-friendly iPad 10 and the more premium iPad Air. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.